Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video script we will walk through the syllabus for the Juniper MIST AI Associate Exam, also known as JNCIA MIST AI. This short introduction will set expectations for each domain and what to focus on. Overview of the syllabus and domain weights. MIST Cloud Architecture 15%, MIST AI Driven Operations 15%, MIST AI Setup and Configuration 15%, WLANs 15%, MIST Network Operations 15%, Marvis Virtual Network Assistant 15%, and Location-Based Services 10%. The exam focuses on conceptual understanding, scenario-based troubleshooting, and hands-on configuration where noted. Across these domains you will learn cloud fundamentals, AI-driven operations, site and AP setup, wireless security, ongoing operations, Marvis NLP and actions, and advanced location services. MIST Cloud Architecture is 15% of the exam and is rated easy with an estimated 6 hours of study. You will learn the MIST Cloud ecosystem including its microservices architecture, regional cloud instances, and cloud-native scalability. Study how MIST differs from legacy controllers, the key MIST Cloud components, and practical license management including Wi-Fi assurance, wired assurance, Marvis and LBS licensing requirements. Expect conceptual and scenario-based questions that validate your ability to identify components and handle subscription activation. MIST AI-driven operations is 15% and rated medium with about 10 hours of learning suggested. This domain covers service-level expectations or SLES, radio resource management, and automated packet capture workflows. You will learn to define SLE metrics and classifiers, interpret time to connect and throughput SLES, set thresholds, and use SLE data for root cause analysis and Wi-Fi health dashboards. You will also study MIST AI insights including RRM behavior, proactive anomaly detection, client insights for troubleshooting, automated packet capture triggers, and AI-driven roaming optimization. MIST AI Setup and Configuration accounts for 15% of the exam and is medium difficulty with around 12 hours recommended. Focus on organizational and site management tasks such as configuring organization and site settings, implementing role-based access control, using site variables and labels, and understanding configuration inheritance. For access points you will practice zero-touch provisioning, AP templates and assignments, AP onboarding workflows, firmware management policies, and using claim codes or QR scanning for provisioning. Hands-on skills and conceptual knowledge are both assessed in this domain. WLANs represent 15% of the exam and are medium difficulty with about 12 hours of study time. You will learn SSID configuration, broadcast settings, and security standards including WPA2 and WPA3, study VLAN assignments, bridging options, bandwidth limiting and rate shaping, and how to apply WLAN templates across sites. Additionally, learn authentication and guest access methods such as 802.1x with radius, personal pre-shared key, captive portals and sponsorship workflows, social login options, and MAC-based authentication filters. MIST Network Operations is 15% and medium difficulty with an estimated 8 hours of study. This domain covers Day 2 operations including monitoring, dashboards, and network-wide visibility. You will navigate the live view dashboard, analyze client and network statistics, identify rogue or neighbor APs, and interpret system and security events while using inventory tools. The troubleshooting portion focuses on configuring alerts and delivery methods, using historical data for trend analysis, exporting data for external review, troubleshooting client connectivity, and creating support tickets through the MIST UI. Marvis Virtual Network Assistant makes up 15% of the exam and is medium difficulty with around 8 hours recommended. You will learn Marvis conversational features and how NLP powers natural language queries for client and AP health checks. Study how to execute queries, use Marvis for proactive site audits, and understand Marvis query syntax and supported query types. The Marvis Actions area teaches self-driving network actions, interpreting action dashboards, categorizing actions for APs, switches and gateways, and analyzing actions related to cable tests, missing VLANs, and DHCP failures. Location-based services are 10% of the exam, rated hard with an estimated 10 hours of study time. This domain covers virtual BLE technology, including the patented 16-element BLE antenna array, and differentiates physical and virtual beacons. You will learn the role of machine learning for location accuracy, basics of RSSI and angle of arrival, and how BLE supports wayfinding, proximity messaging, asset tracking with BLE tags, location analytics and heat maps, SDK requirements for mobile engagement, and occupancy and flow analysis use cases. Good preparation includes scenario practice and understanding both architecture and deployment considerations. That wraps up the exam syllabus summary for JNCIA AI. Focus your study time according to the domain weights, combine conceptual review with hands-on practice, and use the recommended topics to guide practice labs. Good luck studying and visit Exam Sale for study tips and practice resources.